This is Motorola Moto G32, and today I will show how you can check how much internal storage you have on this device. So first order of business is to launch settings, then you gotta find and enter the storage category, and here you have it. So at the storage page you can see how much ROM or device memory you have in total, how much of it is currently occupied, and occupied by what exactly. You can check the apps and how much is their file size. The same can be said about images, documents, and so on and so forth. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.